Shadvinsha Brahmana, illuminating the sacred mysteries and ritualistic insights of the Samveda. The Shadvinsha Brahmana, an integral segment of the Samveda, presents a rich tapestry of rituals, symbolism, and spiritual contemplations. This article delves into the essence of the Shadvinsha Brahmana, exploring its composition, ritual significance, allegorical interpretations, and its timeless relevance in guiding seekers towards a deeper understanding of the cosmic order. Brief overview. Enshrined within the verses of the Samveda, the Shadvinsha Brahmana beckons seekers to embark on a journey of spiritual exploration. This compilation of texts goes beyond the mere mechanics of rituals, offering profound insights into the interplay between rituals, symbolic meanings, and their role in aligning individuals with the divine rhythms of the universe. Composition and structure. The Shadvinsha Brahmana is organized into chapters that delve into various aspects of rituals and their significance. The term Shadvinsha refers to the number 26, highlighting the 26 rituals discussed in this Brahmana. These rituals are meticulously described, each contributing to the overarching understanding of the cosmic harmony. Ritualistic significance. At its core, the Shadvinsha Brahmana provides a detailed guide to rituals practiced during the Vedic period. It delineates the procedures, recitations of mantras, and symbolic actions that constitute these rituals. By engaging in these practices, individuals harmonize with the cosmic forces, ensuring the alignment of their actions with the greater cosmic order. Symbolism and allegorical interpretations. The Shadvinsha Brahmana goes beyond the surface level of rituals, delving into the deeper layers of symbolism. Rituals are seen as microcosmic reflections of cosmic processes, and symbolic actions are decoded to reveal spiritual truths. This allegorical approach transforms rituals into profound pathways for self-discovery and contemplation. Philosophical contemplations. Intertwined with rituals and symbolism are philosophical reflections that enrich the Shadvinsha Brahmana. It ponders the nature of existence, the interconnectedness of all life forms, and the journey towards self-realization. These contemplations guide seekers towards recognizing the unity underlying the diversity of the cosmos. Enduring relevance. In the contemporary context, the Shadvinsha Brahmana's teachings hold timeless significance. Its fusion of rituals, symbolism, and philosophy offers a holistic approach to spirituality. It prompts individuals to explore the interplay between the tangible and the transcendent, fostering a deeper connection to both the ritualistic practices and the profound metaphysical dimensions. Conclusion. The Shadvinsha Brahmana stands as a testament to the profound integration of rituals, allegorical interpretations, and philosophical insights within the Samveda. By immersing ourselves in its verses, rituals, and contemplative practices, we embark on a transformative journey. The Brahmana beckons us to uncover the layers of meaning within rituals, bridging the divide between the mundane and the spiritual, and ultimately guiding us towards a harmonious existence that resonates with the cosmic symphony of the universe.